आशुतोष, you can do it. आप कर सकते हो?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then is good work. In 7B, Ashutosh and Omkar will do. But I have a problem with 7A. 7A student, please come forward. आगे आइए. कौन है 7A में? शिवाशीष मुझे दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, और श्वेता. Shweta and Shivashis. Adarsh is also there. Shweta, can you respond me? ठीक है, अब 7A I talk to you later. कौन करेगा? Because nobody is responding. Now come to the question answer of this chapter, electric charges. Those who have not done, please do it. Please do it, because I am again and again telling you it will be beneficial for you only to just go through the question answer once when you pick up your copy. Okay? Then first question is, a charged drinking plastic straw is brought near another similarly suspended straw that is also similarly charged, and second is uncharged. Explain what we would observe in each case and why. Answer is both glass rod and silk both glass rod and silk cloth gets charged up in this process. Write down the answer. Both glass rod and silk cloth gets charged up in this process. Then second question. Sorry. Question number 1 है आपका D1. ये आंसर है D1 का. What is the effect of a charged object and an uncharged object on small bits of paper? Sorry, I read out the E1 question. Answer is both glass rod and silk cloth gets charged up in this process. Second question, name some object that can be charged by rubbing. Name two, you have to name two objects that can be charged by rubbing and two objects which cannot be charged. So first is the glass rod and plastic comb will get charged up. Glass rod and plastic comb. Those who have written also, just once again see the answers are correct or not. Glass rod and plastic comb will be charged up. And second is iron rod and aluminum sheet will not be charged up. One of you read the third question. Third question पढ़ो तो D3. अपने book का third question पढ़िए. Read out the third question.
State the main difference between a conductor and an insulator.
Between page number 161. अपने book का page number 161. Take out that page.
तेरे बाप की हो, तेरे पैसा मैंने किसी के पिता में हो, मवाली कवाली तेरे मुंह में।
Now, Singh, why are you talking? Page number 161. यहाँ से लिखिए second paragraph. Metallic materials that normally do not get charged on rubbing because they allow electric charges to flow through them with ease are known as conductors, and non-metallic materials that do not normally get charged up, but they do not allow electric charge to flow through them easily are known as insulators. Then next question is, name a device that is used for protecting tall buildings from lightning strikes. सही है ना? That is your
Yes, ma'am.
lightning conductor. Lightning conductor.
lightning conductor. Then उसके बाद next question क्या है आप लोग का? एक बार read out करो आपके book में.
Give the meaning of
Give
Give the meaning of the term
earthing.
earthing.
Okay.
The process in which charge
of term earthing.
By putting a charged object in contact with the earth causes it to lose its charge. We call this process as earthing. ठीक है?
Earthing.
Then sixth question पढ़िए आप लोग.
List
down two precautions that a person can take if he is caught outside in the open during a lightning strike.
When it is caught, when a person is caught outside in the open, then that is on page number 168. There are 5 points in your
Shades and open areas about trees.
कोई भी दो लिख सकते हो. तो एक पॉइंट लिखना है ना, तो दो कोई भी लिख सकते हो आप लोग. Like
Yes, ma'am. 2 point लिखना.
on observing the signs of lightning and thunder, go to a safer place. So the building is a safer place. One is safer inside a car or bus. Avoid shades and open areas.
मम्मा अमृत कौन के में लाया है पॉकेट में भर के. तुम बोली नहीं खाने तो फिर लाया.
2 points आपको लिखना है. Then first E1. E1 is charged in plastic straw is not near another similar. That is also similarly charged and uncharged. First in number 1A, it will show repulsion because like charges repel each other. It will show repulsion because light charges repel each other. Number B, 1B. In the method of charging by conduction, a given uncharged object is charged up by bringing it in direct physical contact with another charged object. The charge on the original charged object then gets shared between the two objects. So the originally uncharged object also gets charged up. One in the method of charging by conduction, those who have written can match the answer, and you can think that it is correct. If it is correct, you can correct. Put a small tick mark. The method of charging by conduction, a given uncharged object is charged up by bringing it in direct physical contact with another charged object. The charge on the original charged object then gets shared between the two objects, full stop. So the originally uncharged object also gets charged up. Then come to question number 2. Why do we say that charges are always produced in pairs? Page number 163 of your book. Page number 163 of your book. Come to charges are produced in pair, that topic. And you start from here. Plastic scale gets charged up when it is rubbed against a piece of woolen cloth or flannel. We can test the charged up nature of these objects by using them to pick up small pieces of paper or dry glass. We find that they also get charged up. So the piece of flannel, paper or woolen cloth can also attract tiny pieces of paper or dry glass. We can therefore say that when two objects are rubbed against each other, they both get charged. Charges are always produced in pairs. So charges are always, this line you will have to note it down. ये last line आपको note करना होगा, बाकी आपकी book में ही दिया होगा. It is given on page number 100 and I think 63, 163 है आपके बुक में. Charges are produced in pairs. और उसमें उस टॉपिक में सेकंड लाइन है. प्लास्टिक स्केल से लेकर ड्राई ग्लास तक, फिर नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ रिफाइंड से लेकर चार्ज तक, और फिर लास्ट लाइन सो चार्जेस आर ऑलवेज प्रोड्यूस्ड इन पेयर्स. Then comes E3. What is the E3 question? Describe a simple experiment. This one is the E3 question. Describe a simple experiment. यही question
Yes,
है?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm using an old book. That's why I am asking you. Simple experiment to show that the total charge on a pair of objects rubbed together is 0. ये भी आपका पेज नंबर 163 में ही है. अब charges are produced in pairs में third paragraph. When you have to write when two charged up objects are simultaneously brought near tiny pieces of paper, the combination does not attract them. The combination therefore behaves like uncharged object. Then there is a question why? Why you cut down? This can happen if the two objects carry equal but opposite charges. Then cut this line. We can therefore say that. इस लाइन को कट करिए, फिर लिखिए वहां से आगे से, when two objects are rubbed against each other, they both get charged up with equal and opposite amount of charges. In other words, charges are always produced in pairs, and the total charge on a pair of objects rubbed together is 0. Clear? After that, next question is E4. E4 question is, a charged object is found to lose its charge when touched. Explain why. This is because, you have to write down, this is because the charge present on the object can move on into the earth. This process is called earthing. The object on losing the extra charge becomes an uncharged object. Once again, I am telling you all, this is because the charge present on the object can move on into the earth. This process is called earthing. The object on losing the extra charge becomes an uncharged object. Then, next question. Can we say that charged object attracts an uncharged object by first charging it by induction? Explain your answer. Yes, a charged object attracts an uncharged object by first charging it through induction, because when an uncharged object is charged by the method of induction, it acquires opposite charge to that of the charged object. Yes, once again I am telling you, yes, a charged object attracts an uncharged object by first charging it through induction, because when an uncharged object is charged by the method of induction, it acquires opposite charge to that of the uncharged object. Then question number 6. What can we say about the sign of charge acquired by an object when it is charged by a positively charged rod through conduction and through induction? First is conduction, so you note down. The charge on the originally charged object then gets shared between the two objects. The charge on the originally charged object then gets shared between the two objects, full stop. So the originally uncharged object also gets charged up by positive charge. Induction. The charge developed on an object when it is charged by positively charged rod through induction is negative. The charge developed on an object when it is charged by positively charged rod through induction is negative. Then after that, next question is it important to have a very good contact between the lower end of a lightning conductor and earth? If so, why? Yes, because lightning conductor protects the building from extra charges generated in the nature and transfers it to the earth. Because lightning conductor protects the building from extra charges generated in the nature and transfers it to the earth. So that after full stop you write down, so that the building is safe, full stop. Thus it is very important to have a very good contact between the lower end of the lightning conductor and the
मैम आपका आवाज दिखता नहीं आ रहा है.
Once again you hear, एक बार और सुन लीजिए. Yes, because lightning conductor protects the building from extra charges generated in the nature and transfers it to the earth. So the building is safe. Thus, it is very important to have a very good contact between the lower end of the lightning conductor and the earth. Is it okay? All of you have noted it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes ma'am.
और किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Anything you have to ask?
No ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No ma'am.
Kumar. Now, अभी question पूछें. Should I ask you some questions? You are.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Prem Kumar will answer. Come on the screen. Screen पे आओ. I am going to ask you questions. Prem Kumar, are you here? Can you listen me? प्रेम कुमार मुझे सुन रहे हो? हाँ? Now he will not speak.
मैम लेफ्ट कर दी.
हाँ?
लेफ्ट कर दिया.
I have not left. So,
मैम we leave the meeting.
are you ready to answer? He has gone away.
मैम प्रेम कुमार लीव कर दिया.
हाँ, वही that's what I am seeing, that he has left. I told him to come to the screen to answer. He has left. Okay. I'll talk to him later. अभी आप लोग जो joined हैं वो लोग बात करेंगे. आप लोग का ये पोर्शन है चैप्टर रेस्पिरेशन इन ऑर्गेनिज्म. इस टर्म का पोर्शन वही है, कंफर्म हो गया ऑनलाइन टेस्ट के लिए. और उसमें से आप लोग डायग्राम भी प्रैक्टिस करिएगा और ऑल द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स यू ऑल लर्न प्रॉपर्ली. क्लियर? ऑब्जेक्टिव तो नहीं आता है, डेफिनेशंस व्हाटएवर इज गिवन इन दैट चैप्टर यू विल लर्न दैट. तो आप लोग उसको अभी प्रिपेयर कर लिए हो या करना बाकी है? Chapter 7 all of you are prepared?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Very few,
Yes, ma'am.
very few are answering.
Yes, ma'am. I have
Yes,
prepared.
Ma'am, I have
Okay. Why do we need to breathe out carbon dioxide?
We need to breathe out carbon dioxide because extra carbon dioxide in our body can be toxic.
How is oxygen transported from lungs to other parts of the body?
Blood, while passing through the lungs, picks
Blood
up,
vessels.
picks up carbon dioxide through the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin transports oxygen to all parts of the body.
The presence of hemoglobin in it. Hemoglobin transport oxygen to different parts of the body. It also picks up some of the carbon dioxide produced in the cells during cellular respiration and transport it to the lungs for expiration.
Yes, thus hemoglobin acts as a respiratory carrier. Till here is the complete answer. जो complete लिखा हुआ हो उसको उसमें और ऐड करोगे, ठीक है? This is the complete answer. What are respiratory organs in amoeba? Or how does the respiration takes place in amoeba, hydra?
Through process of diffusion.
Yes. During vigorous exercise, what is the breathing rate in human being?
Ma'am, repeat your question.
During vigorous exercise, what is the breathing rate in human beings? Tell me.
80 breaths per minute, ma'am.
Yes, 80 breaths per minute. What is the breathing rate in horse?
Ma'am,
What is the breathing rate in horse?
12 times per minute.
Yes. Others also, please try to answer. What is the, define inhalation.
The process of inhaling the oxygen into the lungs is called inhalation.
No, not this way.
taking in of air.
Taking in of oxygen. The process of inhalation, you are repeating that word. Taking in of air rich in oxygen is known as inhalation. That is not correct, incorrect, but you have to see the language also now in class 7. How you are answering. Language should be much better than the what you have been learning in class 4 and 5. ठीक है? Language proper use करिए.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Why do we get muscle cramp after heavy physical exercise?
We get muscle cramps after heavy physical exercise because
Our muscles respire
because
anaerobically and produce
anaerobic respiration in our muscle take place, which
accumulated in our muscles.
And produces lactic acid.
because of this the muscles cannot continue working for and we get muscle cramps in our body.
Yes, you all know what I am telling you. The language which you are now enhancing by learning in a proper way, that should be in the answer. अब सब लोग बोलोगे accumulate lactic acid, and so then I will not give you marks in the exam. You have to know the proper language also. Yeah? Who is asking? Piyush. What do you want to ask? आपको लिखना है ह्यूमन मसल कैन रेस्पायर एनारोबिकली lactic acid is produced during this process and accumulates in the muscle, So the muscle cannot continue working and get fatigued after some time, causing muscle cramp. Now, how many words, new words are you are using over here in this answer? इस आंसर में आप नया नया वर्ड यूज कर रहे हैं, तो उस वर्ड के कारण वो आंसर परफेक्ट हो जाता है. तो आपको उसी तरह से आंसर करना है. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू?
Okay, ma'am.
आंसर करना है.
Okay, ma'am.
आप उस वर्ड से एक्वेंटेड हो जाइए, ठीक है, और वो उस आंसर को कंप्लीट करता है. Tomorrow's homework is to learn your this chapter and get prepared. We will have a just quick test type of question answers and all. Tomorrow we will revise this lesson only itself. All of you get ready. Not only one student. जिसको हम कल बोलेंगे वही आंसर करके दिखाएगा. Clear? And what?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
रेडी होना है सबको. और 7 स्टूडेंट प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड. श्वेता सिन्हा एंड आई थिंक तिलक उपाध्याय आई कैन सी हियर. आप लोग हमको जरा सा कांटेक्ट करोगे व्हाट्सएप पे सो दैट आई जस्ट अलॉट यू सम वर्क. क्लियर? ओके, सो वी विल एंड द मीटिंग नाउ.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
And portion all of you
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
test.
Yes, ma'am.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं ना है, समझ ना. चैप्टर 7 है. ओके, चलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye.